Your GPS to Black-owned spirits.
It is day 16.
17, baby. 17. By the time they see this, will be day 17.
We gotta make it an E though. We said an A. We said 17.
Okay, whatever. This is day 17, guys. Veda, you know, we've been dropping videos. We're less than halfway to the end of this series, guys. Thank y'all so much for rocking with us. Per usual, thank y'all for everyone who's been rocking with us since day one of us doing Veda. Again, shout out to Social Entrepreneur and Edna for putting us on, or not putting us on, for, you know, setting the tone, you know, being the example for us to do Veda, guys. And then thank you for everyone who's been rocking with us for the past 17 days. Now, again, this week is subscriber request week, and so today we got a request from a good friend of the channel. Amen.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Amen.
Okay.
Sharon Gary.
Hey,
Sharon, don't say Sharon.
Yeah, she don't.
Don't get cussed out.
She was like, let me just
Amen.
give y'all a tutorial.
Right, it's Sharon. Okay, amen. And so she requested a Washinton Apple. Never had it before. We've been doing research to make sure it looks proper and how you supposed to make this. It's normally made as a shot, but any shot can be made as a cocktail. Any cocktail can be made as a shot. And so with this particular cocktail, well, first, y'all, for the next 31 days, so since August, August 1st, we're making 31 cocktails of your favorite classic cocktails using Black-owned spirits. Now, this week is customer or subscriber viewer request week, and we ask people in the chats and in the live stream to put in what you would like to see us make during these next 31 days. And so yesterday we did a
yesterday was with the orange
Moscow. It was the Cosmo.
Yeah.
We did a Moscow Mule, and then today is going to be a Washinton Apple. And again, this is a request from Sharon. And with this cocktail recipe, it requires just three things, just three ingredients. Crown Royal, which again, it's not Black owned. So we're going back to what we already used when we did the Mata, which is the Mercer and Prince, which is a whiskey, Canadian whiskey from ASAP Rocky. So I think this is the first time we reuse a brand, and we may use reuse another one, a vodka, whatever, depending on the cocktail. But since the recipe requires or calls for a Crown Royal, which is a Canadian whiskey, we're using this, which is also a Canadian whiskey, and then requires sour apple pucker, and also cranberry. Just it, guys. That's it. Just three ingredients. 2 ounces of this, maybe 1 ounce of this, and then maybe an ounce or two of cranberry over some ice, guys. So without further ado, guys, thank y'all so much for rocking with us. We'll see you at the end. You all right?
I was trying to say special, and then special and sweet got connected.
All right, you need a drink, babe. Let's make a cocktail. All right, guys, so there you have it. A Washinton Apple. Shout out to, again, Sharon for this request. Never had this before, but
from a woman's collective.
Let's see what's hitting on. Let me see. Sip that thing. Not bad. Tastes like a vodka and cranberry. So with whiskey and cranberry. Not bad. I'm trying to think, should I add a little more sour apple and maybe a little bit of cranberry? Let me taste it first and let you taste this how it goes. There you go, there's a little shake.
Because this is a sophisticated
amen.
Requested by my sister. Hallelujah.
Shout out to the Women Collective.
We're gonna play with this while we're on camera. I think you need some of this.
Me, but everything don't have to be sweet. Let me just add a little bit.
My gum.
Add a little bit more. And a little bit more cranberry.
I need more of that.
No, it's enough whiskey, baby.
Okay, so I don't think it should
okay, we're gonna put that.
Apple.
Yeah, you get live adjustments.
Right. Be right back. Okay, just a little bit better.
Sip that thing.
You sip slow for perfection.
See, it's a unique taste because it's sour apple. You got cranberry, so it's not going to be a sweet thing. I think we probably expected it to taste like a candy apple. Maybe we put a little sip of syrup in it.
I was expecting.
Then I think you think it's a candy apple.
What's the good apples called? I was expecting like the
Fiji,
bite into it,
Fuji?
like a Honey Crisp apple. I guess I was expecting a Honey Crisp. What's the good apples?
It's not bad. Let me put a little sip of syrup in it. Just maybe just a little splash.
Y'all trying? How y'all just gonna try to recreate a classic?
Hey baby, hey, you like what you like. We like what we like. We like what we like. You like how you like it. You like how you like it. Let's see how this go. Try that.
Okay. You sure we ain't missed a?
But you didn't leave me much.
Yes, I did.
You didn't leave me much. Here's my final take.
Okay.
With as is the OG way, sour apple cranberry whiskey is designed to have a tart taste because again, you got sour apple and you got cranberry. It's not supposed to be a sweet drink. It is, like you said, it's a drink that you sip slow.
Yeah, everything. You don't have to rush every drink.
It's a bitter drink, which wasn't bad. I just think we was expecting candy apple, kind of a.
I told you I was expecting a Honey Crisp apple,
but when we added just a splash, but when I added just a little splash of simple syrup, candy apple. When I tell you, candy apple,
that thing popped.
So it's up to you. If you want to make it a little sweet, add a tad bit, like a. Put a thing like the little splash of simple syrup. Now it turns to a candy apple. Without is a bitter, tart. Yeah. It's a tart drink. And again, y'all, we're not experts, we're not mixologists yet, but we like what we like, we like, guys. Y'all get it in how you get it in. But again, 3 ingredients
with your drink. But go with whatever you suggest, whatever is special for your taste buds. Everybody has
for your palates.
So I'm
not sure if I added to the
try something other than
no, baby. No, stick with the OG, baby. Baby.
I was trying to remix that thing. No.
That Washinton Apple kicking in there, baby. All right, guys, that's it. I hope y'all like this video.
No, we hope you love this video.
Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, that bing, so you stay notified whenever we drop new content. Yo, I really like this drink now. Like, it's really starting to sit in. It really hits. Just add a splash.
Those sweat beads are popping.
Ain't really sweating it bad, baby. They just hot this month. But no. All right, guys. We love y'all. Thank y'all so much for rocking with us. This is day 17.
Girl, you did that referral.
And y'all still continue to give us requests, guys. Even we don't make it the request during Veda. We still, like I said, we gonna continue this. I can't even talk. We're gonna carry this on and continue to make cocktails using black-owned spirits, guys. So follow us on Instagram, Sippin with Mete and I, guys. We post everything on our story and on our community. Tell them where they can shop with us.
It is shopmeteandi.com. Again, shopmeteandi.com.
And so you can get the Sippin with Mete and I shirts, the Sippin with Mete and I cups. You get the God First. It's kicking in. The God First, the Dope in Real Life, the Fam in Real Life. All the merch we got, guys. Go support us and check us out, guys. And join the Mete and I cruise. We're going to be advertising this on everything we do. June 12th through the 16th. June 12th through the 16th. we had, well, I won't say the name yet. Someone just inboxed us about the cruise. So we sent you the information on that. But June 12th through the 16th, 2023, guys, 4 days going to Half Moon Cay and Nassau, Bahamas. So join the Mete and I meetup cruise. And that's it. We love y'all so much. Thank y'all so much for rocking with us.
Love you guys.
Continue to share as I continue to spread the word that this is the destination. This is the home for Black-owned spirits. We love y'all.
For all our Black business owners who are trying to get it in the game.
All right. We love y'all. We out.